来看国际消息，美国总统 Trump 18日北京，甲乌克兰的总统泽伦斯基，还有几位欧洲的头人见面。Trump 在开会开到一半，佮打电话予罗西亚总统普京，讨论要安排美国、罗西亚、乌克兰三方峰会，望会当讨论停战的代志。
乌克兰总统泽伦斯基穿乌色西装赴约，来到北京，甲美国总统川普会面。这场会面甲2个月前来比，就紧张的会议气氛相对较和谐。
President Zelensky, you look fabulous in that suit.
I said the same.
Yeah, you look good.
I said the same thing.
Yeah, looks good on
I
you.
said to the one that attacked you last time. See, now he said, I remember that.
Yeah, I apologize to you. Let's keep.
And in the same suit. You see, I changed. You are not.
川普伫顶礼拜甲罗西亚总统普京会面了后，转向呼吁双方达成和平协议。伊表示，就算战争进行，也会当推动和平协议。
All of us would obviously prefer an immediate ceasefire while we work on a lasting peace, and maybe something like that could happen. As of this moment, it's not happening. But I believe a peace agreement at the end of all of this is something that's very attainable, and it can be done in the near future.
随后，川普也甲多位欧洲领袖举行峰会，包括法国总统马克宏、德国总理梅尔兹、英国首相斯凯尔、意大利总理梅洛尼，参谋欧盟执委会主席冯德莱恩。欧洲领袖聚焦安全保障，马克宏是呼吁美罗欧甲欧洲举行四方峰会。
I think as a follow-up, we would need probably a quadrilateral meeting because when we speak about security guarantees, we speak about the whole security of the European continent.
And your indication of security guarantees of some sort of Article 5 style guarantees fits with what we've been doing with the Coalition of the Willing, which we started some months ago.
川普把中断会议甲普京通话，讨论安排美罗欧峰会。会议结束了后，川普也发文透露，普京已经同意2礼拜来举行会面，会开始安排普京甲泽连斯基伫定地点就结束战争展开会谈。
Гарантії безпеки, напевно, будуть розшиватись нашими партнерами і буде все більше і більше деталей, так як все це буде на папері, якимось чином формалізовано найближчий тиждень, 10 днів, як я вам і сказав.
川普也表示，有了罗西亚真紧就会释放就这名乌克兰俘虏，也毋过面对记者提问，敢是派美军到乌克兰确保当地安全，川普并无正面回答，只讲并无排除这种可能性，显示出伊的立场已经有所转变。公司新闻陈伟林编译。